Alright, you want some of this shit? Hey, Bertie. Where are you? Oh, oh, wonderful. Wonderful. You can't get out that way. Look at Bertie. I got this open window right there. And then that one's closed. Because that goes downstairs. Alright, ready? Come on. Come on, little Bertie. Little birdie Peter and Pie. We're gonna go with this one. I like the Bud Light next to you. Alright, alright. Whoa, 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 whoa. You are so fast. I understand why people fucking can't do this shit. Alright, Birdie. I can't open that one. Maybe I can. Look it. Go over here. Over here. It's wide open. It's wide open. It's wide open over here. It looks like you're the fire hydrant, but you're not the fire hydrant. You're down here. Alright, so. Take your little ass. Take your little ass. I'm gonna corner you. I'm gonna corner you where you can't fly no more. And you're gonna freak me the fuck out, because that's what I do. What the fuck? I'm trying to help you and save your life. I'm trying to help you and save your life. Ready, set, perch on my little thinker. Oh, 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 oh. Go down there. Down there. Go down there. Go down there. Go down there. Where all the little birds like to go. Just go down there. Right here. That one's wide open. I don't know how to open these. Can you please just do it for me? Can you do it for me? Do it for me. Do it for me. I didn't want you in my house. I closed the door.
My name is Angus, and I'm so angry at you because I'm gonna get you. How would you like that if I did that to you, you little son of a bitch?
Oh, fuck. Just don't fucking... You're going to the wrong one every time, motherfucker. Look at your duck feet. You're so fucking stupid. Just go to the fucking right glass, dipshit. You fucking dipshit fucking bird. All I want you to do is go to the right fucking window and get the fuck out of here so I can sleep. That's probably my beer, not your beer. Just go out the fucking window like I fucking told you. Just fucking do it. Do it, bitch. Do it, bitch. Alright. I can't fucking keep up with the fucking camera act. Fucking shit. I shut all the windows. I did all the fucking right things to do. They probably say go to bed or some shit like that. You know what I mean? They probably say go to bed, you little fucking asshole motherfucker. But you know what? Just fucking do what I say, bitch. Do what I say, bitch. You got a redhead. I've nailed. Alright, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. You can't go that far. Come on, right out here, right here. You got it. You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it, you little bitch. You're gonna do it, you little bitch. Look at that. There's a football and dirty shoes. Can you get the fuck out of my fucking porch? Just so you don't scare me every night I come home. Please do it. do it. Please do it. Please, you son of a bitch. Just do it. Oh, I'm getting real close. Do you want to fucking hang out with me or something? See if this motherfucker wants to hang out. Could be a fucking total hangout, maybe session. Hey, do you like to hang out with fucking humans? Yeah, I'll give you a little finger. Whoa, come here, you little jumpy little bastard. I'm fucking giving you a million options to get out of this motherfucker. Yeah. That used to be my old bass bag. Some dog pissed on it, so I really use it as a cooler now. Got piss warm beers now. Alright, come here, you little son of a bitch. Oh, you went right that way. Go get him. Go get him. Yay! Do it! That way. What the fuck? Oh my god. Just looked at me right there. I don't know if you guys seen it. Believe it. But here we go. Ready? Mamacita. Mamacita, do you believe it? I'm not scared of birds no more. I was. I'm not scared of you no more. I thought you were like maybe a fucking hummingbird because you're like fucking nuts. Come on, sister.